Hello everybody and welcome to a new segment, Creators Corner. I've been complimenting. Anyway, if you got it, you got it. I've been contemplating for a while about starting this section because I've been getting a whole lot of questions. Yes, a whole lot of questions. And no, I'm not just making this up. Like a lot of people have been asking me why my skin is so soft. So I just said, no, that's not the kind of thing. I'm not trying to push any narrative. I have been asked, I don't know, for years now. How do you achieve this look? How do you compose your shots? How do you shoot cinematic vlogs, or how do you achieve a certain look, how do you blur your black background? How do you how do you put your videos together that makes them so cinematically pleasing? Like, I'm a girl who's just in love with filmmaking. I've been for years now, and I think when I started my channel, I was gearing towards finding myself in film again, and I ended up doing that. And so I've been asked a whole lot of times, like, I'm not even in the DMs, I've had people ask me to come teach them. And the thing is, I'm a mom of 5 raising 4. I am homeschooling some even, and so honestly I'm wiping butts all the time because I am currently potty training a 2-year-old. So yeah, I don't really have the time to help people individually. And so this creative corner is like a place. I think it's a place where I can be able to share whatever knowledge I have when it comes to filmmaking, when it comes to cameras, because I've also been asked, what camera can I buy? This is what I want to achieve and whatnot. What cameras can I buy, and what lenses can I use, how to achieve this and that, and so I thought, if I have this section, the creatives corner, I'll be able to answer every question to the best of my ability, so I can help you as well. I think YouTube is also about helping each other achieve things, and because I have that little knowledge that I'm applying on my videos, I can also help those who are interested in improving their videos. I think it's so important for us to have pretty, I'm just gonna come out and say, if a video, I sometimes will just watch a video because it has great sound, great music, and great pictures. Never mind the personality of the person, man, just the great picture, the great sound. Look at my great sound going because there's a helicopter flying over wherever I'm at. Do your thing, helicopter. Take your time. It's your air, it's your sky. But I've heard that people can forgive. They say people is not me, by the way. People is not me. But they say that people can forgive a bad picture, but they can never forgive a bad sound. No, bad picture. Bad sound. I think it's very important to when you put your videos together, even when you have a song in the background, don't let it just stop abruptly like that. I think it's important to fade in and out, fade it in and fade it out nicely, and transition nicely, and all of that kind of stuff. So the creative corner will be a place where we will help each other with editing. We'll have all of those editing workshops, I guess, whatever it is. So I feel like the best way for me to do it is to ask everyone who has a question, whatever question it is, in terms of the behind the scenes part of YouTube, filming, the camera, whether it's cameras, whether it's settings, what settings, and whether it's whether it's lenses, you want to know what kind of lenses to buy, or for whatever look you're trying to achieve, whether it's whatever question you have in terms of editing music, how do you fade in music, how do you fade it out, whatever question that you have that is part of the filmmaking part of YouTube, please leave it down in the comment section below and I will try. So what I'm planning to do is to have 2 videos in a month, so every 2 weeks, so 4th weekly I'll have a creators corner video where I will answer one of the questions, and we'll have a full-on video in depth sometimes, whatever. So I'm saying 2 weeks because I said I don't want to overwhelm myself. As I said, I do not have the time really. As you've seen, even my videos, I have like 1 vlog a week, some like, you know, it's like 1 vlog a week. I cannot do the 5 vlogs anymore. I am listening to my body and I am doing the right thing by me. So I wouldn't have like a weekly creators corner, but bi-weekly I'll answer those questions. So please bring them on, all of them, even the ones that will challenge me. Bring it on, even if you think that this one is above her pay grade. No, it probably isn't, and if it is, trust me, I'll go find out and I'll come and let you know how it is, because that's just how I roll, you know. So yeah, whatever film questions you have, however big, however small, it's, even if you think that it's a stupid question, there's no such thing as a stupid question. Whatever it is that you don't understand in terms of filming and everything, even when it comes to, even if you're using your phone, like you don't have to even have a camera, even when you're using your phone and all of that, editing questions and, you know, sound questions and anything that is behind the scenes when it comes to shooting videos, I'm your girl. Okay, I'm your girl. I will come here and I will help you. Even if you once sent me a DM, please come again here and leave your question, because I might not be able to go through all the DMs and everything else. Maybe it's lost somewhere somehow. So even if you've asked me before in a DM or whatever it is, please just make sure that all the questions that you have that around filmmaking, around cameras, everything camera, it doesn't matter what camera it is, whether it's Canon, whether it's Sony. Just don't ask me about Nikon. I do not know anything about Nikon, so yeah, but I will answer from a Sony and Canon perspective, because those are the cameras that I've used. But trust me, whatever settings, you know, it applies everywhere. It applies everywhere, even on your phone. You know, you can compose the greatest shots using your phone. Our phones have zoom, guys. They have zoom, so if you want to have like a close-up shot, you can do that. If you want to have a blurry background, you can do that with your phone. There are times where I'm lazy to go bring out my camera, that I use my phone and I just zoom. I you know, you do whatever you can with whatever you have to have the prettiest videos, most aesthetically pleasing. And you know, the editing can also keep a person watching. Trust me, they can keep a person watching. In my previous video, I noticed, because as I said, I don't have time, I noticed there's a point where I have shots and everything else, there was supposed to be music there. I don't know what happened. I edited the entire thing and I just posted it and there's no music. As I was watching, I was like, it's kind of boring here, because there's supposed to be music. And you know, with the music there, me having the music there is a difference between someone being engaged still and carrying on to watch my videos, or feeling like it's too much silence. I've watched, you know, like nothing is really keeping me. So with that, if I had put an end, my watch time literally stops there, and I'm like, oh, so people kind of got bored here and fell off, because the way I had edited that particular scene, or that particular those particular minutes, there was supposed to be a song backing it up. And so right there, people fall off right there. When I check the analytics and the minutes that people are watching, they fall off right there. And I'm like, you know, so that, you know, it's so important to like really analyze your videos and know where to put the music and when not to, and knowing that, you know, if you you know, if your sound is like this here and there, that's the difference between having people watch your video or actually fall off. So yeah, that's what the creators or the creative corner or the creators corner, what should I call it? Creators corner, creative corner, I don't know. Creative corner, creators corner, I think creators corner. Yeah, creators corner sounds even better. So yeah, that's what we're going to be sharing. Not the I'm not going to be sharing about algorithms. No, I don't know that kind of, I don't know those things, algorithms and what. No, we're talking the technical parts, you know, the creators corner. This creators corner, we'll be talking technicalities. We'll be talking lights, cameras, action, composition, music, sound, and everything in between that makes our videos look all pretty. And you know that, you know, those videos, you know, we'll just be talking about how to make videos that are pretty, because I love watching. I'm calling them pretty because look, at the end of the day, I'm girly, but I love watching pretty pictures. I like watching clearer what you call this, clear and very pure looking, well lit videos. And you don't have to have like a very expensive camera to achieve those kind of things. I used to have a what you call this, my first camera was a Canon 200D, and I used it for a while without using like a certain, and I'm not going to give it away because this should be for a video, a certain lens, which was actually very affordable. It came with the camera, and the moment I put it on, I realized that yay, it brings about a beautiful change. It brings about a beautiful change. It made my videos a bit prettier, you know, and I was like, wow. And just that, you know, just that, your camera doesn't have to be expensive. You just need to know what to use to achieve certain looks, and sometimes whatever you need to use will not break the bank at all. Just the knowledge, that knowledge will help you achieve better looking and better, you know, those videos that bring like warm and fuzziness, you know, that warm and fuzzy feeling to people when they watch your videos, like, oh, that's what we're going to be doing here on the Creators Corner. So leave your questions down in the comment section below, and from June we'll be having those videos, 2 videos in a month, I guess. Yep, every month we'll have 2 videos where I'll be answering those questions to help us all make pretty looking videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.